She like roses.
Too special.
You deserve roses. And you know it. You got me like, yeah.
Hey guys. Dang, my voice cracked, but I really want to make some cookies, so I'll make some sugar cookies and some snickerdoodle cookies because I like cinnamon and then other people don't. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be like a little mini vlog, and I just really want some cookies. But I'm gonna follow this girl's recipe online. I'm gonna give her a quick shout out. Honey Suckles, I think that's what her channel name is, but I'm about to follow her recipe. I'm about to make some good cookies, so let's go. And I need my bowl. I need to turn the light on first. I need my bowl. I just can't wait to make some cookies. I'm very hungry. My bowl. I got my cups. My measuring cups. Measuring cups. Gotta need these. What else I need? I need all the ingredients, man. Guys, I don't have eggs, but I'm gonna substitute for milk, so it's okay. So I opened the freezer right now and there was no eggs, so we're just gonna have to deal with what we got. So I'm about to follow this girl. I'm about to show you guys the mixing and all that because I just don't want my iPad to get messy. So oh my gosh. All right. So my cookies didn't really turn out good last night. I was so pissed off, bro. Oh my god. But I'm about to edit this video for you guys, and then I'm doing laundry today, so I might put that in there. It's gonna be a chill day, yeah. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But I'm really sad those cookies did not turn out good last night, bro. I was so confident in everything I did last night, but it didn't turn out right. I was so sad. Excuse me. But it's probably because I didn't have eggs, but it's whatever. I don't know where to put this. All right. Warm. Okay. And heavy. And very dry. All right. Yeah. Good luck. Erase. Study. So I'm sitting here and the sun just comes through like boom. It just said hello to me like, yo, it was just dark a second ago. It's just like this a second ago. And that sun just went boom right in my face. I was like, dang, I gotta film now. I gotta vlog now because this sun just telling me like, you know, pick up your camera because you are glowing. But dang, the sun is like crazy right now. Oh my god. But guys, I'm thinking of filming a night routine, and I just uploaded a video. It's my playlist that's went up. Oh my gosh, I'm just shining, huh? Oh, it's going down. It's going down. But yeah, I'm thinking of doing a night routine, and I finished all my laundry. I didn't fold it. Some of them I did, some of them I didn't. I have a dresser and I have a closet, so it's up in there. Let me get up. I'm being lazy. All right, let me flip my camera. I folded everything. Those are my jeans, and I have my shirts. They're scattered out right now because I don't know, when they dry, I feel like they look better when they're like separated. And that sun was crazy. And there's a lot of people out today, but that sun came through like crazy. Oh, there's a birthday party going over there. Oh, okay. That's why there's a lot of cars. I'm probably gonna post some musicallys and stuff. And someone just opened my door. And it's the cat. She's probably coming. Is that Minnie? Oh, Minnie. I'm just trying to brainstorm some new videos since I just uploaded one. It just feels so good editing. And I got this vlog to go up, so it's all nice. I love vlogging. There's like no filter whatsoever. Like, what's up? You know? And yeah, that's my Saturday. What I'm gonna do tomorrow though. So I've been thinking of getting the iPhone 8 Plus because like I want a black one, but first I wanted the gold one because it's just so freaking beautiful, but it has the white trim that my iPad has, and my phone right now is an Android and it's all black. Okay, like, and I like all black phones, like, but the gold is so pretty. But I wish in the front of the iPhone 8, I wish there was a black rounding, but not a white rounding. That's what I'm basically saying. So that's basically why I'm getting a black one, because I really want a black. It's just going to annoy me, basically. It's just really, I hate that up here on the iPhone is white and the screen's black. That's just, it just pops out more, you know? But that's my thoughts on that iPhone 8. But again, you never know. You just wait till the year ends and the new iPhone X Plus is coming out, but then they're coming out with other ones and you just don't know what to do or anything, because like the iPhones cost so much, but then half of the price you can get everything that the iPhone does in an Android for half the price. So, and I wonder how much this iPhone X Plus is gonna cost, because iPhone X already cost $1,000. Like, how much is the Plus gonna cost? I just don't know. But that's my thoughts on that iPhone topic. Okay. Alright, guys, I'm cleaning this bathroom. Okay. And we got everything out the tub. That's how the tub looks right now. So it's pretty dirty. And I gotta clean the toilet and everything. But I'll show you the end results, guys. And yeah, so I'm planning on filming whatever. I forgot what I was going to say. I cleaned the whole hallway. I cleaned my room floors, and now I'm about to clean the bathroom and then mop, and then I shall be done. I don't know what time it is. Hold on. It's 6:10 right now, so hopefully finish by 7 o'clock and film my night routine and then basically just chill. A chill Saturday. So here's my finished product, guys. Doesn't it look good? We need a new music, but yes, I cleaned that. I cleaned the floors, everything, all nice. Yes, I cleaned this.